So finally, this is day before the race day, and the feeling is different because this time I'm not running this marathon for the first time, rather, it is for the third time. And the reason I started my hobby in this running is not to prove my fitness, but through my commitment and to prove my confidence. So right now I washed my shoes last time because the video which I posted, it was so dirty. I guess this will be the last race this shoes will be doing. I'm not really sure because this carbon plated shoes don't last longer. Now I'll be putting these shoes back and set it ready for tomorrow. And now I'm all set for tomorrow's. Throughout the day, I have hydrated myself, and now I'm having some, you know, small meal. I cannot call it like a full time dinner, but it's just like a small meal, and those are eggs and bread. I'm just having it because I had a huge size lunch, and I feel that right now I don't need any much more food than this. So that's all for today, I believe. I have to sleep early, and once I get enough sleep, I'll be getting up early in the morning, like 1 a.m. or so, and then I'm ready to go. Actually, tomorrow's race is risky without wish of one person or that animal, I would say, and that animal is not wishing me luck for tomorrow. So let me get it forcefully. Rusty, wish me luck. Please wish me luck. Wish me luck. Why you're behaving like that? Wish me luck. So it is almost set. Now, as you can see, these are my shoes, and I have kept it on bed, but they are clean. Uh, I'm going to wear singlet because it is on coastal road. It will be humid, and I don't want to take any chance. My Garmin, then my Shocks headset, and my bib, and there is one new addition, and the new addition is my Craycall sunglasses. And I was waiting for this to buy. Should feel that moment of deserving myself for these sunglasses, and I finally bought it for this marathon, and tomorrow I'm going to use it. Specifically, I'm going to inaugurate on Tata Mumbai Marathon 2026 edition. Yay! Good morning. So the day is finally here, and I have not slept for more than 2 3 hours, I believe. And right now, I'm just doing the preparation before leaving, like applying petroleum jelly so that I don't face any chafing. And I'll be set to go to catch a local train. Fortunately, special local train at 3 a.m., which is arriving at Thane. Now all set. All set. Ready to go. Ready to go. Just outside of my apartment, and it's quite chilly. But it's not that chilly. It's medium or moderate, I would say. And I'm impressed that the decision which I have taken to wear singlet was impressive decision. So this is Thane station, and first time I'm starting from this Thane station now. And right now it's 2:50. This is how Thane station looks like at 2:50. Medical support guy. Look at the crowd. It's almost 3.
Station 12 are Ludo और छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज टर्मिनस प्लेटफॉर्म क्रमांक 4 वर आलेली लोकल विशेष लोकल छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज टर्मिनसला जाणारी.
The whole coach is filled by marathon runners. He's not the marathon runner. Okay, the hype is real. You can see all the crowd. All are runners. All are runners. There is Dada, and I am reuniting from Thane to Ghatkopar. मग काय वाटतंय? All set. All set. All set. सतीश दादा खूप फ्रेश दिसत आहेत एकदम. This is how it got full at Ghatkopar. Now you can see Vidya Vihar. हा वर्टिकल लाईन टाकत. So these are all half marathon runners, you can see, and they will be partying with our ways on side. Chalo guys, good luck. All the best. Happy running. Now this is only full marathon. पूरा टाइम कोई तो आगे है तुम्हारा ऐसे. So this is the spirit of Mumbai. So finally at CST, here I'll start towards this Azad Maidan now. It's quite overwhelming experience. Seeing a lot of people around. Just all the runners. Mumbai Underground. आझाद मैदानला आझाद करूया आज. मुंबईची वाईब ओव्हरऑल जे ट्रॅफिक स्टँड स्टील होतं जस्ट फॉर द रन ते चांगलं वाटतं. यार हे लोग अँझायटी प्रोड्यूस करतात. Now at the holding area. So marathon is basically just like, you know, pushing yourself every 1 kilometer. You're not able to fathom whether you'll complete or not, but still you do it. That's what whole spirit is about. Finally in the holding area, Satish Dada and I parted the ways. Where is he? I don't know. Now slightly exciting. I'll start my playlist and I'll be switching from my iPhone to GoPro. Seems like very ahead in Wave C. Just left from the holding area now. It will be at starting point.
Bottle, man, water bottle.
I don't know why people are rushing so hard. Like everyone wants to be podium finisher. So the enthusiasm is unmatched. Moria! Yeah, for this is the same reason I always visit. Never skip every edition. today not going to focus on time, only pushing every 1 kilometer. Look at this. Exactly for this view I usually visit, and you won't get to see, Mumbai coming to standstill without experiencing this marathon, because on this marathon, like, it's very well managed. You will see the roads without cars. Amazing, amazing. Stupid people are standing in there. Yeah, it started. Two kilometers still strong. See the vibe. This is so amazing. See the vibe. This is so amazing. It's 17 kilometers and I'm taking rest because I ran continuously for 17 kilometers just for this. Okay, so let's get going. As you can see, I reached to the ceiling and you can see the suspension rod. People are taking pictures. It's 18 kilometers so far and legs are slightly tired because I don't know, because of shoelace or something. Initially it was loose, but then I tightened it and heart rate is good, but muscles are facing muscle fatigue. So let's see. I just need to keep pushing. So it's half time. Yeah, I cannot say that I'm still strong, but heart rate is okay. so I can still push it. I have to. I don't have any other option. Where are the Snickers? So I pull this moon out because it will be sunny sometime. Now it's better. 30 kilometers, baby. Legs are tired, arms are broken. So it's 32 kilometers already. Now it's me and my body negotiating for the pain. Now I have to face the death. Wish me luck. My strategy is short stride. Pedal road, baby. This is the spirit of Mumbai. Short stride, baby. Short stride. Short stride. This is the spirit. You see this?
शुरू जाइए
So it's 38 kilometers and I have stopped. I'm just walking. I can continue, but I have took strategic break so that I can bounce back. Now the weather is getting intense. Yeah. I'm just drinking Red Bull. You can see the bull behind. Last kilometer. Tough situation. It's almost 41 point something. I don't know. So last 100 meters.
Let's go, baby!
Your cool down and recovery zone is inside. Your cool down recovery.
So finally got the medal and now waiting for banana. And Satish Dada also completed with flying colors. आणि ते फार खुश आहेत आज.
हो आज मी तिसऱ्या टायमाला 42 केलेत आम्ही दोघांनी
दोघांनी ॲक्च्युली.
हां
आणि आम्ही आज डिसाईड केलं की शेवटचा श्वास घेईपर्यंत करणार.